What's up, great people? I have some exciting news that I want to share, so let's go ahead and get into it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Okay, great people. So, yes, indeed, that was a little fun. I was trying to have a little fun, but nonetheless, like I said, there will be some changes to this here YouTube channel that I want to tell you all about before it just happens, right? Because I love to inform people of what's to come so that they know what's to come and they know how to expect and do what they need to do. But nonetheless, in it all, like I said, we have some fun things coming, which y'all know on this here channel, you can expect so many fun and exciting things taking place. Okay, but the main thing for this one is schedule changes, okay? So as I currently do, I post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So going forward, starting in the month of June, I will be posting on this here channel on Mondays and Wednesdays, great people. Mondays and Wednesdays is where you can find videos here in which it will make, gardening with the chickens, building some things, unboxing things, putting together things and things like that. Nonetheless, you can find those things on this here channel. Now, I'm doing this because as I asked you all, I was like, hey, what do you think, how you think I should do things as far as the channel is concerned? Could I add some things here, or should I just keep it gardening and the such? And most people are like, hey, just keep it gardening and what you do with the chickens and things like that. I was like, okay, cool. So what does that mean? That means I have other channels, okay, great people? We have a podcast channel where you can find me being exciting and full of energy, in which you found me here. I will be there having great, entertaining conversations, talking about things that matter, okay? Topics that matter, things that matter, and things that I believe should be talked about, okay? And also doing interviews, so those are very fun. I'll put links down below so that you can find that podcast channel. You can go over there and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But then also too, my lovely family and myself have a YouTube channel as well, in which my wife and I will be posting on there more often than we have in the past. And so, hey, family videos are things in which I love doing, and you all have talked about how lovely my family is. Well, you can go over there and support us by subscribing to that channel, The Love Jones Home DKUJ. But nonetheless, I'll put a link down below as well. And I can honestly say I am so excited with the various opportunities that have come our way on this here channel, in which I'm gonna definitely keep you all a part of them all. And so with that, in the various changes like that, we are making sure that we have specific things for specific people on our specific channels. And so keeping things in line and in order is our goal, but nonetheless, growing the various things that we are putting out is our mission as well. So again, 2 times a week is where you can expect to find various videos on this here channel. But in it all, with it all, hey, I'm gonna definitely make sure I keep you all abreast. And like as I always do, if you all have any questions or things in which you need answers for, or demonstrations for, or videos for, definitely let me know in the comment section, and I will see to it that I get to it. I definitely want to do more gardening interviews where I get to see other people's gardens and see how they're doing what they're doing, but then more than anything, show you all various ways to do what you may want to do. So definitely be on the lookout for those. I've been reaching out to certain people, excited about the feedback in which I've been getting from them, which lets me know that you all will be able to see those things soon and very soon. But in it all, with it all, definitely I thank you all. I appreciate you all for the love and support you all have shown me on this channel so far. Saying that to say, as we are growing and expanding our reach in various channels and things like that, I thank you all in advance for the support that will take place on those channels as well, because like I said, we are doing what we're doing in major ways, and definitely want to bring you all along the journey as well. So again, the podcast is where you can find me. The family channel is where you can find me. Crystal has a YouTube channel as well, where she talks to singles and things like that, helping you find the one quicker, okay? I mean, that's something that I think we all may want to do if we find ourselves in a single category. But nonetheless, in it all, with it all, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Just definitely want to give you that quick update so that you knew what to expect and or what's going on, okay? Because those things do matter, okay? Well, I love you all. I appreciate you all. See you on tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday. Well, should I start? Okay, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. This will be the last week where you'll see me on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but you'll start seeing me on Mondays and Wednesdays. So until then, peace, love you.